Hi, Ronnie Junior here from Wire Metal Solutions, and we're just checking on the progress on build number 4. So build number 1, we had the autobiography 110. Build number 2 was the Yellow Beast. Build number 3 was the Cadbury car. And this one's R1. So R1 is a 2015 110 utility. So what we start off with is a brand new chassis, which is galvanized. Then we've had it then we've T-washed it, primed it, and used Buzzweld. And then it's got all new galvanized front and rear axle, galvanized radius arms, trail arms. So the front radius arm for the axle and to chassis, it's got the red poly bush with the stainless steel inserts and fixings. And then on the front, we started now supplying the Bilstein shocks. And then it's got our heavy duty turrets, which are galvanized, then T-watch, S-prime, Buzzweld. It's got the front bump stops, you can see there. Then on the rear of the chassis, again, it's got the galvanized rear trail arm, again with the poly bush in red, with the stainless steel plates. And then at the rear, where it bolts onto the axle, you got your poly bush in red again, with the stainless steel fixings and inserts. And again, it's got the Bilstein top rear shocks. We've put all the poly bush on top and bottom with the stainless steel washers. And then you got your A-frame arms with the new fulcrum. Basically, everything's new on the car. So 110 chassis is the same for a station wagon utility, a 110 like van, and a 110 high cap. So the purpose of today's video is to show you all the brackets you need for mounting the body on the chassis for all them different permutations. So the first variant we look at is a 110 station wagon or utility on a 2007 onwards. So it's a Puma with their split seats. So at the front, for bulkhead the chassis on the footwells, it's our product 240. And these are applied in a pair, so you get your left and right on the bulkhead, and your left and right from your chassis on the inner wing as well. All hopefully galvanized. Going back over, got your rear outrigger. On this one, you need 4 of the 161As, and these mount up onto the kick panel in your second row seat. So when you sat there, your kick panel runs along here, and then the kick panel also mounts up onto here on the chassis. So with the Puma, it's got a different crossmember. So this takes your front of rear tub and your seats back to the chassis. It's also got your mid crossmember, 2 side frame or sill rail brackets. Then also for your Pumas, you have these brackets here, seat supports, our 318s. So then when your seats click back in, you click into here, taking it all back to your chassis again. Working towards the rear, you got your fuel tube support. So then you obviously your breather pipe runs along the side here. And then on the rear crossmember, you got this bracket here. So this is for 2002 onwards. So what we're going to do now, we're going to quickly change the brackets to a Pre-Puma and show you the difference. So now we'll quickly change the brackets over to a 110 station wagon or utility pre-2007. So bulkhead chassis stay the same. The outrigger onto the body kick panel stays the same. Mid crossmember changes though. So we've lost them 4 upstand brackets, and so the body changes. This is probably from 053 here. These upstand brackets are applied loose for fitting, and then also you lose the 318s. 076 and 077, where it goes from the mid crossmember on your side frame and your sill rail, they stay the same. The other change is on the rear. So 2002, 2006 on a Pre-Puma, that's where you needed this angle. Earlier than that, you have this one which has got the 5 tabs on the back. So now we're going to quickly change all the brackets to a 110 van. So quickly change the brackets over to a 110 van. So any 2 or 3 door. So bulkhead chassis stays the same. Where your front of rear tub mounts to the chassis, they've changed. They're a lot shorter now. These are the outer body mounts. So these are our preference 161B. You need 4, 2 on the left, 2 on the right hand side. The next one is a body support, 162. So that picks up on your underfloor support from the left to right underneath your rear tub. Another bracket as well, which mounts on the chassis, is preference 3 at 1, another body support, and then these have a little plastic rubber mounting pad on the back as well. So at the end, depends on the age of the vehicle, you've got the angle 2002 onwards. Before then, there's the angle with the 5 tabs, but the angle 2002 onwards will fit earlier models. It's not visible. So personal preference, how you want to fit it. So right, we've got a 110 van. Now we're going to change it to a 110 high capacity and show you the brackets that you need to mount the body on there as well. Now we're going to look at all the brackets required for mounting a body onto a 110 high capacity single cab. So, same as the other two, at the front, bulkhead to chassis remain the same. Then, your rear of your cab to your chassis is you got your 161B, which is your inner body mount, and then your outer body mount is 161C, which then also has a 362 and a 363 bolted to it, and these take the cabs on the back. And then obviously you've got your 389, which is your rear support. Then you've got your stays, which are preference 440. Also, so that's everything for your cab. So for mounting your body on, it's the front and up to here. Next we'll look at mounting your rear tub, your high cap rear tub onto the chassis. So the first bracket you put on is product reference 373. I'm guessing that one there. Can't see the number. Yeah, 373. And they're handed. So you got your left and your right. Next one is your 374. They're universal. And then again, you got your body supports here and there. They're your 162s and your 381s. Then to working towards the back, on your rear crossmember, you got your 372. So these again are handed, and they pick up on these 4 bolts there. Sometimes what you need, depends on your distortion on your rear crossmember, you might need a packer in here. So you just slot into there. Then what you got also, you still need the 187. You can either use the angle or the one with 5 tabs. Probably the angle's easier because it's got the wall nuts on the back side. Then what you got in the middle is your 426, which is your 3 angles for mounting the very rear of your high cap onto the chassis in the centre. So your 372 is your outer, 426 is your inner on your centre. So on the website recently, we've added a diagram section. So all we've talked about today for the 4 vehicles will be getting added onto there with lists of parts required. If you have any questions on today's videos, you can either get in touch with us over the phone or drop us an email, and we can advise you all the brackets that you need for your variant of vehicle. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But it's actually comment, like and subscribe because it's alphabetical order.